Lieutenant Wilson spend the weekend over, but he has to sleep in the laundry room because he smokes in his sleep. Like, seriously, who does that? Who smokes in their sleep? And look who decided to wake up today.
Actually, I was awake before you were.
Alright, I'm heading over to the mechanic shop to have my Crown Vic inspected. Then I'm taking it over to the auction and dropping it off. And then I'm also going to check out some police cars. And I'll show you some cars that I bought. Also, I am having a fan come over and show me his everyday carry. So I'm super excited about that. So what the heck is going on here? Looks like some idiot decided to crash in my commute. This is what I'm driving. I'm going to post this one for sale today. My buddy over here is gonna make sure that the Crown Vic is 100% legit before I can sell it. Nick over here took the wrong turn. What the heck is he doing? Is that legal?
Probably not. You know what? These things are the undercover Jeeps though.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, these things are totally undercover. Look, I can totally clear this wall right now. Oh, I cleared it.
Alright, let's get out of here.
It's Captain Sam Savage, home of Richie, California, where they get savage. And I'm glad that I can manage. Also for Crown Vic for coming through.
Alright, we finally made it. We got stuck in some ridiculous traffic. Every time I come here, I always have to come and check out the charger. I want it so bad. Look at that. Crown Vic Auto was here. Property of Crown Vic Auto, that's what you should write. Federal Police. Is this a sticker? What is this thing? I want to put this in one of the Crown Vics, like something like this.
Yeah, it's vinyl.
So look, check this out. I bought this one right here. This one's mine. Can't wait to search it.
Can't wait to keep these.
Look at this. Look at that. See if you can open the trunk. If you can get the trunk open. I know, Tubbs already called dibs on it.
I don't, what?
Tubbs already called dibs on it.
Oh yeah, no. I had dibs first, so. Sorry, Tubbs.
He already sent it though.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
I already said it?
He already said it.
Wait, what?
He called
said
dibs.
it?
Yeah, he called dibs on
Oh,
it.
well, I already had. Remember, I've been waiting.
Yeah. It wouldn't open?
That's too bad, Tubbs. Yeah, I won't.
What is it? Explorer?
Still got the cage.
It does. It has like 2 cages.
Everything. A rear
Like,
cage?
Yeah. And
Hell yeah, and still got the console.
yep. Hey look, there's some cigarettes there for you. I like the white one better.
It's a V6.
Oh, this is the all-wheel drive. Oh, look at all those police goodies. Oh, nice. Let me see.
well undercover and everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I bet you. Yep. All wheeling.
Okay, my ride is here to pick me up. Mick. Ain't you supposed to be patrolling the yard or what? It's all good, man. Well, what is this? What you got here? This is your mom's car?
It's a little rice rocket.
A rice rocket?
Yeah, if you're trying to get shot, back.
All that bark and no bite. Let's see what it does. All right, let's go over there. Let's go over there. All right. So how do you feel about the old Swanee being gone?
Better.
It's better?
Better.
You're not gonna miss her?
No.
I'm gonna miss her.
Hey, look at that, a squirrel. Looks like you got the cool cop installed.
Yep.
This is basically where the railroad whacker hangs out. I can never say that without messing up. It's like a tongue twister. Railroad whacker. Anyways, we're here because security man Mick is gonna show us what his rice rocket does. Go, you got the train in the background, perfect. What do you think about that?
So obnoxious. What the hell? It's like a lawnmower losing its blade.
What the heck is this? A wrapped up dead body? What kind of animals do you think live in there? Better not find out.
Hey, you break for it, you pay for it.
You break it, you pay it. Comb your hair first.
Is security Nick high?
Probably. When is he not high?
Yes, man. Meter bones.
What'd you do?
It's a secret. These are the only things I took off.
To make it loud?
Yep. To make it
Really? So now it's my turn. Why do you have the check engine sign on?
Oh, catalytic converter.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, all right. Ooh, damn, that's a lot of miles.
Yeah.
Driving a stick for the first time.
Just kidding.
What happened? Oh, yeah. Okay, this is a little longer than I'm used to. That's why that happened.
Excuses, huh?
It's good though. Yeah, I miss driving a stick shift, that's for sure.
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab me a Ford Mustang 93 soon.
Yeah, I can't wait. Coming soon, guys.
Ooh, what do we have here? Cal Fire. Very nice. Look at those wheels. Oof. Where's he at? I want to ask him if I could take it out for a spin. This is beautiful. So we're eating gourmet style food here at Mickey D's.
Yeah,
Here you go.
Donald Trump's.
Here you guys go. Here you guys go. Here you go. Here, I'm not greedy. I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and take a. There you go. Take a bite. Oh yeah. You want some?
Gourmet
Here you go.
food here.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Right. Donald Trump. Gourmet style.
Homemade. This is gourmet food. Donald Trump.
We are back at the shop, and now we're gonna be stripping this Crown Vic for parts before it gets recycled. Gotta pull that engine.
I hope it's all going in here.
Yep, and we're stripping this one right here. Look at that. We gutted this one good.
Oh, yeah. Stricken down.
Parts. Ooh,
Need that
gasoline. Gasoline. Yeah, this is
Leave that fucking rear out.
we even recycle the gasoline. That's how dope we are. And look at that rear end, man. That looks nice.
Limited slip.
Limited slip. Hell yeah. The wingman. Keep going. I want to show off the wingman. Look at that. Oop. We got the Martian dome light. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put it in my car. Unless you're gonna buy it.
No, thank you. It smells like ass.
Yeah, it's called giving it a bath.
Should have gave the dog a bath first.
Awesome.
It's like a grill.
We're trying to get into this car because there's some parts in there that we need, but the trailer fenders here is stopping me, so we gotta break a window. All right,
Where'd it go?
inside.
Okay. What if it went all the way through the window?
Right. Okay, so what we're gonna need is that radio there, that bracket right there, relay flasher. Yeah. Got a trunk tray. Nick is using the restroom right there. I am gonna block him in so he can't get out. What the? Hey, what's up, guys? I got a big fan here that stopped by. Mike is here to show us his duty belt, his everyday carry.
So basically, right off the bat, we got our Crown Vic Auto patch.
Oh yeah.
A security badge.
Mhm.
I got a Motorola mic that's not hooked up yet. I don't have a radio to go with it, and right here. Right here,
Yeah, we need to get you one of those.
Yep. I got a magazine pouch. I don't really have anything in there now because I have an airsoft gun. It's a spring. It's blowback. It contains BBs and stuff. So actually this is the 8th one I had. I've got my MK4 pepper spray. Law enforcement uses this. I got my Baton 21 inch. 21 inch. It feels great in the hand. And yeah. I use this
That looks like it would do some serious damage.
Oh yeah. That's what I have on this side. Nothing in this pouch. This is my flashlight holder. In my taser spot, there's I have my Leatherman Wave knife. Got my gloves. If you don't have black gloves, get out of here. But,
Yeah.
I got my handcuff keys, and of course my pouch. A baton. I don't know how many inches this is. It's very strong. It can break a window. Will break bones.
Oh yeah. Don't want to get hit with that thing.
Oh no. And then I got my Peerless handcuffs. I actually got 2 sets of handcuffs. Same thing.
Oh nice.
Peerless. That's my everyday carry.
Nice. Where do you get your duty belt from?
From my dad, but since he's a retired sheriff,
Yeah.
I got my my belt from him.
Oh nice.
This is all, his stuff, but he gave it down to me.
Oh nice.
And yeah, that's really all.
Cool. Awesome. Well, thank you for showing us your everyday carry.
Yep.
This is a message for the criminals out there. Watch out, because he's coming for you. Coming soon in the near future.